That is so cute.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video where I unbox stuff, and today is kind of an unboxing and rant. And I don't, you know, it might be just one take. Let's just go with the flow. First of all, so I saw a bunch of people unboxing this, and you all messaged me and said, Lamarr, how come you don't box this one? And I'm like, I didn't even know it existed, because I don't be following all these new 3DSs, 2DS XLs. I already got my own, and I'm like, what? Why do they keep coming up with all these variations? And then I realized it's probably for people who just want to collect them, just to have them. But you can only use one at a time if you got one account. So I'm like, I'll open it up and show you. I'm just tired. I'm tired. It's just, you know, you got that original Nintendo one I unboxed some time ago. It's cute. Oh, they put the thing back in here. Nice. You know, I first started with the Majora's Mask one. Then they have all the 3DS. Then they took off the 3D, put the 2DS XL, and I got the basic one, which is nice. I like that one a lot. I actually use it. But then all these, who can afford? Who can afford all these variations? What if next week they come out with the Charizard one? Everybody gonna buy that one, but you already have this one. It's like, when does it end? I don't know when it ends, but it's cute. Oh, not these little cards, not these AR cards again. When I talked about these last time, some of y'all got mad. They're like, I use AR cards. Okay, a lot of people don't though. So I know I don't. You know, use my AR card. Anyway, yo, this is on unboxing. Y'all want to? I'm not in a bad mood or anything. I'm just like, when does it? Wait a minute. There's a little divot here. That is so cute. His little nose. Can you hold on? Can you see? Let me get myself out of here. Look at the little nose. Oh my God, you can see it. It is. Is it a button? I don't like Pikachu boogers. Okay, is it? No, it's just, that is so cool. I've never seen nothing like that. Okay, first of all, I really do like this color. I like the color scheme. I mean, it is cute, don't get me wrong. I'm just like, yet another 2DS XL. Because now they're stopping the 3DS XLs for the most part and just coming out with the 2DS. Easier to make games for, probably. It's nice. It's really nice though. Like, look at it. Look at it. See? So you even see me. No, you see the microphone. But no, it's nice. It's just like, when does it end? And if you could tell me in the comments when it ends, I'll be very happy. And maybe it never ends. Maybe it's like Amiibo. They never ever end. You just keep going and going. Go ahead and turn you on. And going and just never end. I don't understand it. But anyway, so how many variations are there? This is for the 2DS XL. So I know they have the Super Nintendo one, which I actually donated. I did a video on it and I donated because I already have a 2DS XL. And so I don't have that one anymore. I've heard about this one. Still, I got to select the language and all that. Okay, see, I'm not trying to set it up because I already have an account on my main one. It's like, you know how hard it is to transfer over to these? Oh, the volume was already max. I'm like, the music kind of calmed me down. I do like the 2DS XLs over the 3DS. I think the 3D was kind of like, I never used it. So I like this a little bit lighter. It seems like it's a little bit more functional where the buttons are. Makes a little bit more sense. And I don't know. This is cute. I will either keep this one, or if I get a Pokemon fanatic come over, it's like, Lamarr, oh, I've been looking for that one, and I might just give it to them. But it'll be on my shelf with the Amiibo downstairs. So that's, let me turn this off because I don't want it to run out of power. Hold the battery. Hold it. Okay. And so that's the unboxing. I bought it from Amazon for whatever the price is. I don't know what, I just bought it. So what is it, $159 that these cost now? I'll put the link below if you're interested. It's the power of 2. Because it doesn't have the 3 anymore, I guess. But 82% larger screens, C-stick, new ergonomic folding design. Because you know the 2DS, the one that's not XL, does not fold. So now this one folds. So that's a big deal to them now. Who bought the regular one? I don't know. It's just like, it's like an ugly tablet. I'm sure it had a purpose for kids, but like, for, you know, you couldn't do this, you know? This oh, that's actually nice. Because he's actually, that's inappropriate. I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, Amiibo support NFC built in. It comes with a charger. Thank you for taking care of us in the US and probably everywhere else too. Anyway, I'm done. I just wanted to do this, but I wanted to rant on it because I don't know. It's too many. It's too many. If you don't agree with me, please tell me why these buttons stick out right here too, where his cheeks. I'm just not feeling this. Okay, this one is kind of unique. I'm not gonna lie, but I would say this is more of collect. So maybe the answer is if you're a collector, Lamarr, you would understand, and maybe that's the answer. So I will collect it. I will put it on my shelf until someone steals it. All right. Let me know what you think in the comments if I'm right, wrong, or whatever. I guess this was one take. I don't know if it is or not, but anyway, if it is, man, I could talk. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Hi, I'm Pikachu. The only words I said was at the end of that movie that Lamarr saw a couple months ago, and he cried because Pikachu like died, but then ascended to a higher plane that existed for a little while, and he was like, Ash, I've always loved you, or something like that. It was really beautiful. Do y'all remember that? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.